Hey, how's it going guys? Welcome back to another repair. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the screen on a cracked iPhone 8 Plus. Let's get to it. The first step is to power off the phone. Next, I can take my pentalobe screwdriver and remove the two screws down at the bottom of the phone. Next, I can take my suction cup and stick it to the bottom half of the phone. Then I will take my Q-tip and dip it in some isopropyl alcohol. I can use the alcohol to soften the adhesive around the sides of the phone. I can then use a guitar pick to try and get in between the screen and the housing of the phone. Once the guitar pick is in, I can use it to slice the adhesive around the sides of the phone. Now I can open the phone like a book. Next, I can take my Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 4 screws holding down this bracket. Remove the bracket. And disconnect the battery. Taking a Y000 screwdriver, I can remove the 2 screws holding down this small bracket. Next, I can disconnect these 3 flex cables. And with that, the screen can be removed. Placing the rest of the phone to the side, we can take a look at what needs to be removed from our old screen. First, I will remove the home button. Disconnecting the connector. And removing the home button. Next, I can remove the 5 screws holding down the camera. Removing the earpiece. And removing the front camera. And finally, I can remove this large metal plate. So unfortunately, I've lost True Tone on the old screen, and I'll just have to use this screen without True Tone. Anyway, continuing with the repair, I can remove the protective film on our new screen. and I can install the backplate. Now I can reinstall the front camera. Earpiece and the bracket. Now I can reinstall the home button. The bracket. Now that the screen is complete, it can go back into the phone. First, I will need to clean up any leftover adhesive. Now the surface is clean and ready for some new adhesive. Now I can connect the screen. Connect the battery and install the last two brackets. Now I can test the phone. Making sure that everything works, I can seal the phone shut. Now I can install the last two screws. Remove the protective film. And that will conclude today's repair. If you like what you see, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.